Hello, it's great to be with you, and no problems at all on the weather front as we get ready for this match. My name is Derek Ray, positioned here on the commentary gantry, and sitting next to me, ready to give you all the analysis, is Stuart Robson. And with the game just moments away now, this really ought to be a superb watch. It's Barcelona versus Arsenal.
Thanks, Derek. Well, often we talk about the tactics, the individual players that are missing, but so often it's the mentality of the players that is key to winning any football game. Which of these teams has the right attitude today is the big question.
It's there for him. He knew he had to make the tackle, and did. Misfiring completely.
Yeah, he's gone for power, but the contact was never right. It's a poor effort, really.
Can they cover up? Well, it looked so threatening, but the danger averted. Barcelona have given us away. Niklas Süle. Good work from Barca to make sure possession changed hands. Rui Costa. Can they trouble the opposition this time? Well, that would be straightforward for any keeper. Barella. Arsenal have given us away. And possibilities here. Super tackle from Roberto Carlos. Vinicius. Making sure nothing came of it. Barella. Parejo. Dejan Kulusevski. Victor Osimhen. Now Parejo. Well, they're moving the ball neatly enough. Just looking for that decisive pass. And take it away. And denied by the keeper. Impressive. And the referee has awarded a corner following that touch. And the keeper showing tremendous command. And in the perfect position to read it. Well, the first 45 minutes have come and gone here in Catalonia. Into the second half then, and these two sides are locked together. Just can't really choose between them at the moment. Well, beating his opponent. And given the defender's touch, the referee says corner. Just the clearance that was called for. Can he find the right pass? Süle. Well, spot on with that challenge. Arsenal move it forward with... Can they forge ahead? And getting across to stop it. A goal! On the back of sustained pressure. Now they deservedly hold the advantage.
Well, here's the replay, and what a well-delivered cross this is. Perfectly placed, and it ends up with a fairly simple finish. Certainly not much the goalkeeper can do about that.
30 minutes to go then. Well, back underway here. What sort of response will that goal elicit from Barca? Good-looking sequence. And pushed onto the woodwork. Vinicius Junior. Barcelona free kick. It'll be here. Gabri Veiga. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Veiga. He has teammates around him. Danger averted. So a personnel change then. Rodrigo. Well, they've lost the ball. Barella. Barella has it. Roberto Carlos. Victor Osimhen. Creative look about this. And reading. This could be it! Well, the header at least made the goalkeeper think. Well, wait, don't go anywhere. We're going to have 5 additional minutes. Well read to win possession back. And the referee brings this match to an end. Not to be for Barcelona. They've lost this game. What did you make of it?
Well, Derek, today just wasn't good enough. They lacked a cutting edge, they played too slowly, and they made many mistakes at the back. It was really